welcome to Tips and Tricks. This is how Dext Prepare works for costs. So you have an Add Document button here at the top, and you can select files from your computer or drag and drop them into this box. You can also use the invoice fetch function, and if you need to or want to email in any invoices that you have been sent to on email, you can forward them to either this email address, the single one if it's just one document, or if you've got multiple, you can use this multiple one, and you can click here and copy them to be able to forward those in. And that is how to get your documents into Dext Prepare. Then what you're going to want to do is review them, and we've got a standard stationery one from Amazon here. What it will do when you import it will read all of the information for you. So it'll read that it's an invoice, the date on the invoice, who the supplier is, a document reference, a due date on the invoice. If there isn't one, it will assume it's 30 days unless you've changed anything in your settings to say otherwise. If you're connected to software like Xero, this category will be the Xero categories. So you might want printing, postage and stationery for this sort of thing. It will then extract the total amount as well as the VAT and then the net by default. And then there's some other information down here on payment stuff if you're not going to deal with that in Xero, which is likely what you're going to do. So once you're happy with all of this information, when you're connected to Xero, this button here will be green and it will say publish. This demo company that we're in has no sensitive information. It's not connected to Xero, which is why it just says move to ready. When you're connected to Xero, it will say publish, and you can push that information directly into Xero, and it will be waiting in your bills section of Xero under awaiting approval. And that is how to add costs to your Dext Prepare company.